Hi, in this video I want to show you a demo how to use a mission system on Unity. In this scene I have created a mission with 3 missions, and here a demo. Okay, we can start. Okay, before we run the game we should make sure the mission has been reset. I want reset all the mission progress. Just click here. Okay, here we have the mission. First we should trigger the mission by activate the mission. Okay, you can hear the uh, panel on top right. Here we can read the mission name is go to the point and collect the potion, and we have first objective that is go to the point one. So we are going to point one. This is first objective. Okay, the first objective we have achieved. So we asked to go to the second point. Second point is the second objective. Okay, the second objective we have achieved as well. And here we asked to collect the potions as the third objective. Okay, then we collect the potion one by one. Here we ask for 3 item potion. First, second. Okay, finally we have uh, run the first mission, and the first mission is successfully we have run. And here we have side quest mission. Okay, let's go. We trigger the side mission. Side quest mission can running together with other mission that is main mission. Here we have the second main mission. It is cutscene and kill boss. The second mission show us about how to use cutscene on the mission. Okay, let's go. We trigger. Here is cutscene by the anime. Yeah. Okay, the cutscene have been played, and we can continue to the next the objective. The next objective is we have to kill the boss. Here we assume as the boss. We can kill by hit him. Okay, we can hit him, and we have achieved the second objective of the second mission. Here read we can read the right top. Set mission is set quest mission, and main mission kill all the enemies. And we have 2 objectives here. First, kill all enemies. We have to kill all the enemies, and we also have uh, the objective to collect all the keys. Here there are keys. This is the objective of the set quiz mission. Okay. On the second mission, we have set quest mission. So set quest mission and the second mission are running together. So we can complete the set quest mission first by run the objective. The objective here is we have to collect all the keys here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we have collect all the keys, and here we have finished side quest mission by running all the objectives here. So that leave only one objective to kill all enemies. This objective is objective of the second mission. Okay, we want to kill all the enemies here. Okay, next enemies. Here there are 6 enemies, and the enemies will be instantiated uh, by web. Web there are 2 enemies here. We have killed 3 enemies, and here there are another enemies, and we kill again. Okay, we have killed 5 enemies, and there only one uh, enemy. Kill him. Okay, so we can read on the panel of the top right here. No active mission, no active main mission, and no active side quest. So it means we have complete all our mission, and you can see on the uh, top left there are the numbers. The number is like coin or like money. That's the number of the rewards. So for every um, for every objective we have uh, determined how reward that can be achieved by the player. Okay, this is the only demo, and I want make another video for the explanation how we create and implement the mission system on Unity. Bye to the next video. Thank you for watching.